If you think back 18 months ago or even longer than that, there was this mindset or a shift to move everything to the cloud. What we're seeing now is that there's a balance between moving things up to the hyperscalers or keeping things on premises or with a service provider and having a more balanced approach to how people are migrating to cloud.
There's a multitude of options out there these days, and it's not always a case of one fits every requirement that you have. We have a lot of experience in managing multi-cloud environments, and that's the expertise that we can bring to financial services organisations, helping you match your requirements to the appropriate cloud and then helping you make that transition across.
The FSI market is probably the most rapidly evolving industry in terms of compliance and regulation. A lot of the organisations that I talk to really feel like they're chasing their tail in terms of meeting standards and being compliant with those standards and those new evolving regulations.
AI in financial services is going to have a massive impact. I also think security is going to feature very prominently. We've got a number of services that we can help customers on their journey with becoming more secure. And in the AI space, we've got a data practice that supports customers' needs and their requirements in looking what they want to do. The way that we help and we stay ahead of those trends is by really having a really deep pool of expertise in the local market that are familiar with the regulatory obligations and also the cultural nuances of our customers. We have a very large team of cloud professionals that can do both hyperscale, public cloud and also hybrid cloud on-prem.
I think that's the beauty of working with AC3. When you come to us, because of our background, security and compliance is built into everything that we do. So you can come and speak to us and feel safe in the knowledge that we'll be taking that into account and delivering that back to you.
Being Australian owned and operated gives us an advantage, I think. We completely onshore, all our resources are here, our technical experts are here, our sales teams are here. So we have a very good understanding of what's happening locally and those cultural nuances that come through when we're doing business.
One of the other benefits of working with AC3 is our experience across multi-cloud environments. So whether you're choosing to stand some infrastructure up in HPE GreenLake or an application across a different public cloud provider, you can be assured that the solution that you get from AC3 around managing those complex environments will be really simple, straightforward, and just one solution across them all.
Just like us, HP have got a very good reputation in the market and in financial services specifically. So when we are talking to customers, we're very transparent about our partnership with HPE, and that just adds a lot more weight to our position.
The FSI is perhaps the industry vertical that is most challenged by changing and flexible demands on their infrastructure, whether it's the seasonality of shopping cycles around peak periods such as Christmas, etc., or Easter. Payment gateways, payment platforms have to be able to scale to meet those considerations. HPE GreenLake is a really flexible offering in terms of its consumption and its transactional model. So GreenLake is really a control plane that manages the infrastructure regardless of its location, but that infrastructure can be consumed either as a traditional CapEx or under a consumption-based model. The great thing about HPE GreenLake, it really is a software platform. Yes, it runs on infrastructure, but the power of the platform is in the software. And so HPE actually develops new capabilities in GreenLake at the speed of software development, not the more slow traditional infrastructure development. So we're bringing out new enhancements, new functionality, new capabilities in GreenLake all the time. So in any great systems deployment, there's really three key components that underpin that. That's technology, but also the people and the processes. And so while HPE, we really pride ourselves on delivering the world's best infrastructure technology, it's in partnership with AC3 where we actually bring the best of minds together in terms of the people and the process. And that's where the magic really happens.